Is it healthy for a person who just got delivered from demons to pray for other people the same day or the next day or even that week or maybe two? It just depends how fast the demons come out in the sins. Is it healthy? No, it's not healthy. That is like when you're getting healed and delivered from demons. It's okay. I got to give you an analogy because I see spiritual things and I don't know how to explain it. An example. It is like surgery. The Trinity is the doctor. They're operating on the person. Jesus' angels are fighting over this human to get the demons out because they're repenting and releasing and giving and forgiving and all that. And then the humans, God needs a human witness. A lot of times, if you don't have it, that's fine. I didn't have it back in the day. And humans, are helping, coaching you through a deliverance or that person. You do not. They're like the nurse. And when someone gets operation, they don't say, "Oh, right in the middle of surgery, oh, doctor, stop, let me do this, let me operate on me. Nurses, I don't need you, no, I'll do it." Okay, there's spiritual rules and reasons, and a few reasons, I'm just going to do a nutshell, short video, is that demons are coming out of their body in sin. They're not 100% delivered yet. And when you pray for people right afterwards, and you're praying for the people that helped you, if you do ministry and they're helping you, and then you're like, "Oh, let me pray for you." Okay, you got to check this. Your spirit, soul, and temple. Is it pride, vanity, self-righteousness, ego, strife, division, jealousy, envy? Or some of you are just prayer warriors. I get it. But it's not a good time, because when you pray, stuff's coming out of you like fireworks. And when you pray for someone, you don't want any of that stuff that's coming out of you onto that person or near that person. And that's why it's important to rest after you do deliverances. That's what I tell my clients. Rest. And does that make sense? It is extremely important. If you're getting stuff out, the Holy Spirit's doing this stuff, you don't want anyone else to have that. And especially if you have false gifts. Oh, that's another story. You don't do that. That is not godly. God does not like that. And God blessed you from a healing and deliverance session. I call it sessions with me, or deliverance. You need to be grateful and thankful. You don't just go around and say, "Well, I'm going to be praying for everyone," when you're not even finished getting healed and delivered. So the demons will love to just jump to the next person, because if the demons are coming out, when the demons come out, they want to go back into the body. And the person next to them, if they're not clean, or it could be like I don't know how to explain it, they could spiritually tag them, a little assignment on them, or harass the person. You don't want that. That's like someone has like someone with lice or something. You don't want someone next to you and lice gets, you know what I'm saying, on someone else's hair. You know what I'm saying? I thought I got lice in Africa, but I didn't. False alarm. But I'm using that as an example. Or fleas or ticks, if you have animals and you have fleas and ticks. You don't want to share. So it's nothing personal. You just need to just marinate in Jesus' love. That's what I say, Jesus sauce. You marinate and you just let it all come out. And a lot of times after deliverances, sometimes it's not right away. Sometimes there's delayed demons. And it could be up to a week or two. Everyone's different. It depends, we're like an onion, different layers. It depends how many things that you and God, how far you go with God and God's timing, right, and His will. How many things come out. And it's important to let the process take place. But don't be God's doing surgery and you're like, "I want to help everyone." You're going out with guns blazing and you think you're invincible. Let God finish working on you. And let Jesus' angels continue to fight over you and get rid of the demons. Okay? You're worth it. So that's in a few gold nuggets there, and we could talk about it later at another time. But when you do a deliverance, you just don't go around preaching and teaching, okay? You need to finish. You need to be humbled and submit to the Holy Spirit. And anybody tells you that, you need to spiritually listen and calm the soul down. No pride, vanity, self-righteousness, ego. You need to repent for that, okay? And if you want to just rescue and people please, let me bless you back in return. Don't put hands on. No. You're not, you just started. And I tell people all the time, revival starts from within. Finish this up. Keep your lane clean. And then you can help others. Okay? Because if not, you're sharing the demons and the sin to other people. And that's not nice. So those are a few reasons. We could talk about it more later. You just know that you are the righteousness of God. And you're worthy. And you do matter on this earth. And when the dust clears, then you start praying. But let the Holy Spirit lead you, okay? Okay? Bye.